Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Brian Kelly reporting to you from my home office here in Garner, North Carolina. Just want to say thanks so much for deciding to take a look at this short video. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so and make sure you hit the little thumbs up. So every time I make a video, you will be able to see the video right away. Actually, hit the little bell sign. That's what it is. But anyway, um, I watch a lot of different ways on YouTube to make money and so forth. And I came to find out that YouTube actually pays you money for posting your videos and advertisements on the videos and that sort of thing. So I'm in the process of learning this, how this works. Because the way I see it, YouTube, once you learn their techniques, then you're able to make videos, and they'll pay you. I don't know all the details about it, but um, I'm really investigating, and so I came upon this website here. It's a guy named Matt Parr, and he's a 19-year-old guy. He's a really nerdy guy, but the guy really knows his stuff. I mean, he really knows his stuff. And he's offering some free training, how to make money on YouTube without recording videos. Now that's really weird. I was like, I'm not sure how about that, but it actually is true. No experience or technical skills needed. This actually works and it's easy to do. It very much is. And like I said, I'm in the process of learning this myself. So I mean, this is like something that I really ultimately want to do as a passive income, and people can do that as well. You don't have to show your face, which you notice I don't really show my face a lot on these videos here. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. You can record any videos. Okay, it's just simply amazing. The information on the website below is mind blowing and gives you these skills to make YouTube your freaking cash cow. Right? And like I said, do some research. Go on YouTube and look like how to make money on YouTube videos, and you'll see a lot of different videos, a whole lot of different videos. But I like this guy here because he was really like down to earth kind of guy. He's kind of a nerdy guy, and you could just tell he's like one of those. He kind of remind me of a young Bill Gates. I mean, the guy, I think he'll be like a billionaire like down the road. I mean, he's really knows his stuff, and he's able to explain it in layman's terms where anyone can understand it. Okay, so if you're interested in this, you want to get some more information about it, check this website out right here. It's called YouTube Cash Program, and it's going to show you how to capitalize on YouTube, how they can pay you a tremendous amount of money. So check it out, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.